Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Physics post UTME past question 39. At what respective values of x, y, and z would the newtons be dimensionally equivalent to mx, ly, tz? What I mean is m raised to the power of x, l raised to the power of y, and t raised to the power of z. Now, this question, it said respective values. Now, you need to take note of this word respective. It means it follows the order of x, y, and z, where x is the power of m, y is the power of l, and z is the power of t. A we have minus 1, 1, and 2. B we have 1, minus 1, and 2. C we have 1, 1, minus 2, and D we have minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Now, the key point here is the newtons. Now, this is the quantity whose dimension we are actually looking for, Newton. Now, you ask yourself, Newton is the unit of what? Now, Newton is the unit of force. Newton is the unit of force, and force can be gotten from the formula for finding force. F is mass multiplied by acceleration. Now, what is the mass? The mass is measured in kilogram multiplied by the acceleration, which is measured in meter per second square. Now, what is the dimension equivalent of kilogram? Now, kilogram is the unit for mass, so the dimension equivalent will be m multiplied by meter. Meter is the unit of length, hence the dimension equivalent will be L multiplied by second. Second is the unit of time, and the dimension equivalent will be T raised to the power of minus 2. Now, although the 1 is not written, you know that m is equal to m raised to the power of 1, L is L raised to the power of 1. Similarly, if you have 10, you know 10 is 10 raised to the power of 1. 5 is 5 raised to the power of 1. Now, when you raise any number or any letter to the power of 1, it is unchanged. So anything raised to the power of 1 is still that thing, or that quantity, or that number. So what I mean is, we have m, m1, l1, t minus 2 in this order. Now, I said we should circle the word respective. Now, the respective values of x, y, and z, and according to the description, they said it will have the format m raised to the power of x, l raised to the power of y, and z raised to the power of t raised to the power of z. T raised to the power of z. Now, in that order, we have 1, 1, minus 2. That is x equals 1, y equals 1, and z equals minus 2. So 1, 1, minus 2 is our answer. The answer is 1, 1, and minus 2. Now, you look at your options. The one with the correct answer is option C, 1, 1, minus 2. Now, I want you to also take note. In questions like this, you notice that what the signs are being stipulated, the signs are being manipulated. Now, you look at the signs and you get confused, so you need to be very, very cautious of the sign. In this particular question I solved, it is 1, 1, minus 2. Now, if you chose minus 1, 1, and 2, you might be close, but the answer is wrong. If you chose minus 1, minus 1, and minus 2, although you've solved everything, but you still get the wrong answer because maybe you weren't looking well. So the answer to this particular question is option C. Thank you, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more wonderful videos. Thank you.